In this video, I'll show you how to send a message using the Slack node. To get started, double-click on the canvas to open the search modal and search for Slack. Here, you'll see all the operations you can perform with Slack. We'll select Create Message and add this node to the canvas. Next, double-click on the node to configure it. The first step is to connect your Slack account. Give your connection a name, click Connect, and then select the Slack workspace where you want to send messages. Once you click Allow, your workspace gets authenticated and connected to your workflow. After that, click Continue. Now, let's move to the configuration. You'll see multiple fields here, and you can configure them based on your use case. The first option is how TinyCommand should act while sending the message. You can either send the message as yourself, which shows your name and profile, or you can send it as a bot. If you don't want to send messages from a personal profile, you can choose the bot option. Next, we decide how to select the channel. You have two options here. You can either select from a list or enter manually. Let's start with selecting from the list. When you choose this option, you can pick the type of message you want to send. This includes sending messages to public channels, private channels, or direct messages. For example, if you want to send a direct message, you can select a user directly from the list. Once selected, you simply enter your message text. For example, you can type a simple message and you're ready to send it. You also have the option to create interactive messages using the block builder. This allows you to design richer messages with buttons and structured layouts on it. Once everything is configured, you can click on Save and Test to check if your message is being sent correctly. You'll see the output along with the status, and you can verify it directly in Slack. Now, let's look at the second method, which is entering details manually. Switch to Enter Manually, and here you'll need to provide the channel ID or channel name. To find the channel ID, you can open the channel in Slack, go to its details, and copy the channel ID from there. Once you paste it into the field, the rest of the process remains the same. Add your message, click Save and Test, and the message will be sent. So this is how you can send messages using both approaches, either by selecting from a list or by manually entering the channel details. You can send direct messages, post in public or private channels, and fully automate your Slack communication. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.